new level. Oh, you're not even, you can't even see the ribbon. Hello. Y'all, speak up, speak up. All right, so I'm just going to take a piece of this raffia, or, you know, depending on how long yours is, it doesn't matter. You get the concept. And let me put this, set that off to the side. So for this one, I kind of like, let's do that. We'll make tails with this one. All right, so I'm going to make my first loop. I'm going to do 4 loops on the bottom with the 2.5 or the 1.5 inch burgundy here. Now I'm going to take some raffia and I'm going to layer it right there on top of my bow, my first layer. Let me get that a little more even. So I'm just going to add that right in there, and then I'm going to go to my next color, which I feel like I want to do. Let's do this one next. Add some more raffia, and we can get crazy with it. Oh, come on. I literally have a bag of raffia down here that's a hot mess. We can go crazy, go really live on the wild side, and let it hang down with our loops. Let's go to our next color. And our final color. Add some raffia. And then I typically don't put raffia on the very last, like on top, but that's really, you know, there's no rules. I could add raffia on the top one or not. Okay, let's see what this looks like. Let's see what we created using the raffia. And now I have a bow ready for a project. Huh. Funny how that worked out. Okay, so I intentionally made some longer so that it would hang down. I kept some shorter in each section. don't know if y'all can hear it, but my belly is starting to growl. I think it's trying to tell me something. So, of course, the raffia is going to be cray-cray, but that's what it does, right? Kind of reminds you of that fall wheat flour, wheat field, or scarecrow, straw bales. That's what raffia reminds me of. And there you go. Stay tuned. Y'all have a great rest of your Wednesday, and I will see you soon.